Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the React versus Vue versus Angular. Which one should you use and why? Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's move to the slides. So first of all, quick comparison. React, flexible, scalable, large ecosystem, medium learning curve. Vue, simple, beginner friendly, clean syntax, small to the medium apps you can use. Angular, full fledged, enterprise ready, TypeScript based, steep learning curve. So these are the main comparison. When to choose React, highly flexible and the scalable, only the view layer. You choose the rest. Backed by Meta, Facebook, large community, ideal for the sparse and the complex UIs. Best for the startups and the custom solutions, so you can use that one. When to choose Vue? Very easy to learn and they get started. Lightweight and the fast, great for the small teams or the solo devs. Excellent documentation, perfect for the small and the medium apps. When do you choose Angular, complete framework, routing, form, state management, all included, uses TypeScript by default, backed by Google. Strong enterprise support, ideal for the large teams in enterprise apps, steep learning curve, but very structured. Final thoughts. React, best for the scalable, flexible web apps. Vue, best for the quick development and the ease of use. Angular, best for the enterprise grade full scale projects. Choose based on your project size, team, and the timeline. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.